What's up traders, welcome to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing the live trading session from Sydney from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So if you want to join today, make sure you stick till the end so that you know how we are trading. You can request your favorite pair to analyze. I can look at it. Every day we do live trading session, and in this live trading session you saw that previously we have found some incredible trading opportunity, but keep in mind that this is an educational video, so nothing is an investment advice, just for educational purpose. So we'll be doing A to Z analysis. We'll discuss everything. You are free to share your ideas. You can write on the chat section what currency pair you are trading. As soon as you ask any question, I will answer. I will try to analyze what you are trading. So as you know that the currency pairs, all the pairs are very volatile because there will be NFP tomorrow, non-farm payroll, and there are quite a few high impact news release. So there will be incredibly volatile week, and there is volatile, we all like it, isn't it? As a trader we need volatility so that we can have trading opportunity. So let's find out who is on the chat first, and then we'll see what we can do. Pound says hello sir. Pound, thank you. Chadrick, good afternoon from South Africa. Jonathan, hi sir, how are you? Thank you Jonathan. Jonathan, USD cat, please, if you can, maybe good short for us. Okay, thank you. Kakulan join, hello sir. Shiba, hi, good day sir. Shiba, thank you. Ram, Bhajan, sir, good. Gold, please. Yeah, we'll go all of them. We'll do all of them. Jonathan, good afternoon sir. Khalid says hello. Thank you Khalid. Umnia, good day sir. Mixchi, hello. So we found quite a few of you already here. So let's start with, first of all, gold. What gold is trying to do is, as you can see that on this 4-hour time frame, gold has created a double doji. Now after this kind of double doji, okay, there are two possible scenario. One, high probability that gold should drop, that's what I think will drop, or it will continue to go up, maybe create a false breakout. That's a trading, so anything can happen, but my bias is still because down. The reason is, let me tell you why I'm biased to the down. I could be wrong at any point. Any traders always accept if they are wrong. So is that there is a big impulse, okay, like that, and then there is a slow pattern. This is a bearish price action pattern, and then we can expect it to break down, but before breakdown it might create a false breakout to the upside. This is only concern that if it creates a false breakout maybe to this level and then could drop. Okay, so there is one possibility. Another possibility that it should drop from here. There are two possible scenario. So one important thing that it may even come up here to test this zone again and then could drop, or it may drop from here depending on what is the volume in the market. So gold is still bearish. Yesterday we have seen that gold dropped a lot, but one thing I see now that gold didn't test this daily support as a resistance. You see there is a daily support as a resistance on the the daily time frame. There is a support here, has not been tested as a resistance. It could go up to test this, or it could drop from here. So anything can happen. So let's say on the hourly time frame what's happening with the gold. So on the hourly we saw that gold just doubling below this 20 period moving average on the hourly time frame. So let's see how gold creates a pattern, and then we will discuss how we can trade. Let the time pass by. As you know that this is a long hour, 1 hour trading session almost, so we will find a way how gold may behave in this situation. So this is the with gold, and let's see what other pairs. As you see the GBP USD also, the price tried to break down, now going up for a retracement. So now it looks like the direction is getting a bit clear. Let's say GBP USD looks like bearish. It's trying to be bearish. Okay, it's moving along this trend line, GBP USD. Okay, along this trend line, and also there is a trend line here. So it's forming this triangle. okay, GBPUSD. And I think that it looks like now things are getting bearish. As you know that tomorrow there will be NFP, and we might see, you know, breakdown today and creating couple of dodges like that, and then finally continuing to the downside. As you know that in the yesterday's live session I said that I'm not sure which way these pairs are heading to, but now looks like that GBPUSD gold is looking like that they are preparing for a bearish movement. Okay, so GBPUSD bearish. Let's see who else on the chat. Slim3, Justin, good morning. Sebastian, hello from Malaysia. Sebastian, thank you for joining. Bumaya, thank you for joining. Bumaya, Kakulan, they are very experienced trader. Very good. Keep stick to your trading plan always. Hello from Tanzania. Hello, Ali. Hello, thank you. If I can't pronounce your name properly, I apologize, because sometimes there is all of you from all around the world, sometimes I find difficult to pronounce the name. Ramzan, thank GBPUSD we have already discussed, and we'll go back to over and over again to the same currency pair. Alan, thank you Alan for joining this live session. So we see quite a few already have joined. So Euro AUD, Kakulan ask, Chudito, hello Wizard, thank you Chudito. Queen, hello Queen, thank you for joining. Chidito, hope you are good. I am always good, thank you for asking. So let's find out, we have seen gold. Let's find out Euro AUD, what's happening with Euro AUD. First of all, starting with monthly, we'll see the bigger picture always. Now what we saw that as soon as the market opened, after the monthly close, Euro AUD started to drop. Now this is the overall bearish market. Okay, so as I told you, when the monthly just opens, sometimes it becomes a bit difficult to find out which way the market will move. So let's see weekly time frame how the market is moving. Now weekly we saw that there is a doji here. Okay, there is a doji, and that's what I told maybe in my weekly forex forecast, that the price is likely to go in between this support and resistance in this doji, and looks like the price is doing exactly as it is. You can see my weekly forex forecast. This is what I exactly told when this daily candle was closed. This is where the weekly closed, and in my weekly forex forecast, what did I mention? That the price is likely to go up little bit, okay, along the 50% of this doji, and likely to come back again, and maybe, you know, moving in between this zone, creating another doji. And it looks like that, you see, it looks like if we replay the chart, the price look like it's doing the same. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we see that the price in between this zone. So Euro AUD, now the price is really unpredictable, because it's a completely sideways market. You see, this is a sideways market. The price tried to break up, couldn't break, now coming down. So what I will do, I will stay away from Euro AUD now. That's why I'm not trading Euro AUD. It's a sideways market. We need to see that either it is breaking up, starting a new trend to the upside, or breaking down this trend line. Okay, if let me draw it clearly so you understand. If Euro AUD break out of this trend line to the downside, okay, if Euro AUD break out to that, let me draw it again. If it breaks out to the downside from this trend line, then it could continue to go down, Euro AUD. On the other hand, if it breaks out of this resistance, then it could continue to go up, changing its trend. So this is the two scenario could happen with Euro AUD. Okay, these are the two situations, no other possible scenario. NZD-JPY, ask Chidito. Let's see NZD-JPY. Let's find out what happened with NZD. So NZD-JPY, let me show you what it is. So I'm short with NZD-JPY. Let me tell you what it is. Now what happened NZD-JPY? You have seen that this is the 4-hour. We'll see first of all daily. Okay, daily will give you a clear idea. So what's happened NZD-JPY, as yesterday also I mentioned that the price after this uprise, you saw there is an uprise, broke this resistance on the daily. Okay, on the daily it broke this resistance and then break down below. After that, what happened? We have seen a significant retracement to the upside, tested this support as a resistance. From here we saw that there is a one red candle daily, okay, followed by this doji. Now what you saw today, the price again creating a lower high, okay, creating a lower high. So doji, double doji with a lower high, still daily not close, but if you go to the 4 hour, it's a bearish price action, okay. And I think that, see, if only it's 1 hour 18 minutes remaining, if this current candle, this is the current 4 hour candle, this is what happened. I'm clearly mentioning you, if this current 4 hour candle, this one closes something like that, that means that if this candle cannot break this high or cannot go up like that, then we might see that Usdjpy just break out from here, okay. Why? Because you see that, you see this Usdjpy, basically there is nothing here. You see, there is, we might see a big breakout. The reason is there is nothing up to here, there is a big void here. If you see that there is a big void, has not been tested yet, okay, has not been this void has not been tested yet, and the price action has created now, it's a bearish price action. So once it can break out from here, okay, like that, and Usdjpy, all right, then it will continue to drop, okay, like this, one after one after one will continue to drop like that. So I'm just waiting for a breakout now, expecting to break out. Looks like it may break out. The price action is like that, okay, the price action is like that, means like you see there is a long wick candle here followed by another long wick candle, but it has created a lower high. So it's a strong bearish price action pattern, and I sincerely believe that Usdjpy will drop. It could be a good trade if it drops. So this is the situation with Usdjpy. So let's see. Yep, that's good. That's good. Q said that patiently holding Usdjpy. Very good. I am still holding Usdjpy. Okay, you see my entry take profit is still there. You see, this is what you have to do, and very well done. So this is what you need to do when you see a trade going, you have found a trade, you need to hold it for a very long term so that you can have the maximum benefit from the trade. So that's what I'm doing. And dollar yen I'm still holding, and I believe that it will go down, hit my profit target, and that is my intention, is to hold dollar yen until I get the full profit. I'm not gonna close dollar yen. Even if I see that dollar yen breaking down with a nice pattern, then I might even extend my profit target. That's what I do. People are very busy, very passionate about taking profit, but I normally don't take profit. I take profit. Why am I trading? But I try not to take profit with little. I don't try to take a little profit. I always try to take a big profit, and that's all the successful traders, all traders do in that way. Okay, so in the meantime, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see what other currency pairs we have to trade. Shamantosh, could you please teach us how to trade breakout with low stop loss? Okay, Shantosh said that how to trade breakout. Okay, so I have quite a few strategies in my YouTube video. You can watch that because this is a live trading session, but let me quickly tell you how you can trade breakout. So the breakout, let me quickly explain how the breakout happens. When you see, let's say this is a support, okay, this is the first condition for a breakout. When you see that the price is creating a series of lower high on this level of support, that's the chance that at some point this support will be broken. Now when this support is broken, how you will trade? You will wait for a retest of this support, okay, retest of this support as a resistance. At that time, if you see that on the retest it has created a rejection, then you will be trading, keeping stop loss above, take profit 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, whatever you like. So let me show you why I think that Usdjpy will just broke down. The reason is the same thing. You see, there is a, if you see that this is the 4-hour time frame, and there is a level of support here. Okay, so in this support, what you saw that the price, you see the price has created a series of lower high. From here there is a lower high, and then there is another lower high, and we saw that Usdjpy just create in this support, creating a lower high. That means that at some point we can expect this support to be broken. Considering the past price action pattern, we have seen that the price already created a false breakout here and then broke down. So this is a, looks like a bearish price action pattern. If in case it breaks down, we might see a bigger move to the downside. So this is the situation with Usdjpy. Now let's see, Bumai asked for USD ZAR. So let's find out what's happening with USD ZAR. USD ZAR is a very, very volatile pair. So let's see what with USD ZAR. Now USD ZAR, you see the previous 4 hour, I have seen that, I thought that I would trade, but later I didn't do that. There is a bearish engulfer form creating a double top formation, and we might see that USD ZAR is dropping down, because let me tell you why. Because if you go to the monthly, you see there is a monthly resistance has been broken, you know, went above it crossed all the monthly high here, okay, the previous monthly high completely, and then we see that the price is now coming. So we might see at least USD ZAR coming back to this monthly level of support. You see there is a monthly support here, so there is a resistance. We might see that the price is coming back to this support or even lower than this, because this is a, you know, this is the monthly resistance that the price is now bouncing back from in USD ZAR. So if you go to the daily, what you saw that USD ZAR, you see there is a green candle. This normally when the price reverse, it normally creates this kind of pattern. It is trying to create on the daily maybe a double top formation. You see with this red down, green up, red down, looks like creating a double top formation. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, what you saw that, so this is the, let me draw it again, 4-hour time frame. So you see the previous 4 hour we saw a bearish engulfer formed. So there are a couple of things to consider in it. First of all, bearish engulfer with a lower high, and it's at the top, okay, at the top of the monthly. So it's a highly bearish now. Now the best way to trade, I think that it will go up again to test this somewhere here, to test this previous support as resistance, and even a pending order here could be a good trade. So if I am trading, I will trade something like that, pending order here, stop loss all above all this high, and maybe targeting, let's say 1 to 2 or more risk to reward ratio. So this, if I am trading, I will be trading this way USD ZAR. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice. This is only for educational purpose, to help you to become a trader, to become a profitable good trader. So this is the situation with USD ZAR. So let's find out, Nishu asked for euro dollar. So let's see, Nishu, let's see what else in the chat section. Write down everyone what you love to trade and what's your trading journey, so that everyone can share your thought. Everyone knows how you are trading. Shamantosh, thank you sir, no problem Shamantosh. CHF Bipan says CHF JPY and Euro JPY, we'll do that. Jonathan, sir, can you do USD CAD please? Yeah, we'll do all of them. So let's find out CHF JPY, Euro JPY. Quite a few requests I have. Mamadou, GBP JPY please. Okay, so GBP looks like it's now breaking down. Okay, so GBP JPY, first let's see GBPUSD. GBP JPY is creating a very, very peculiar price action. So let's see GBP USD. Okay, it's look like that GBP USD is still creating a bearish price action. If you go to the daily, you know what it is doing now, the price is looks like it will consolidate in this zone. It's a daily time frame. The price is consolidating. The reason is because there is an NFP. That's what happened when there is NFP. Okay, tomorrow there is NFP, and make sure you stick tomorrow also come back to this live session to see how we are trading NFP. There is a lot of volatility in the market, and also there will be NFP giveaway, so make sure you stick till the end to grab that giveaway. So what's happening with NFP is that GBP USD, you see there is a, first of all, created this green candle followed by a red candle. Now what it is doing, basically it's squeezing in one point, and then at some point it will break out to one side during the news release, creating couple of doji on the lower time frame, and then could drop. So if you go to the 4 hour, what we are seeing that this is 4 hour time frame, this is GBP USD. I think that it's still creating a bearish price action. Okay, still no one can tell until it breaks out, but it looks like that it is creating a bearish price action. Okay, so this is the situation with bearish price action. I think it's squeezing in this triangle from here. It might break to the one side or it may break to the downside, but looks to me that it is still bearish. So in the meantime, let me know in the chat section who is in Eid holiday, in which country you are from. Write down on the chat section. I want to know who you are from so that we can have better understanding about you. So let's see NZD USD, what's happening. NZD USD, NZD JPY is now going for a deeper retracement. I think that it will finally drop. So let's see what else. Euro JPY, let's see Euro JPY. Now all this pair, you see it's in a sideways. Sometime you need to just be patient with your trading, because some pairs sometimes moves in a sideways. Okay, so when it moves in a sideways, you can't do anything. Euro JPY is moving in a sideways, and there is no trade in it. Okay, there is no trade in it. It looks like it will break to the upside. Okay, because as you can see that there is a double bottom here, and then impulse followed by this bear flag, pardon me, bull flag. So after this bull flag, normally the price should be breaking to the upside, but before breaking upside, it normally breaks down and then finally breaks up. So there is no trade on Euro JPY. I can't see anything until it breaks out. If you see monthly, the overall market is bullish on Euro JPY. Okay, if you go to the weekly, also you see that it's a bullish market. I mentioned in GBP, JPY and Euro JPY also, higher time frame it's a bullish market, but on the lower time frame it's just squeezing in one point due to the upcoming news release. After the news release, they may just break out of this pattern. So let's see what else. GBP and ZD, all this pair now moving in a sideways. So let me see the chat section who else requested what. So let's see USD CAD, what's happening with USD CAD. So USD CAD, what we have seen that the price, this one also is squeezing in one point. Okay, the price went above today, it came down, and then going up and down. It's a bullish market overall. You see that USD CAD, there has been a breakout to the downside. It is basically a false breakout followed by a strong breakout, and we saw that there are two back-to-back green candle here. You see, when you see this kind of green candle back-to-back two, that's where we can think that this is a bullish market. And we saw that from the same place we have seen another green bullish candle. Okay, now at this point, what I think that USD CAD will remain within this zone. Okay, within this zone up and down until the NFP. After the NFP, then it might show us new direction in the market. Could be bearish, could be bullish, but it looks like so far is still bullish USD CAD. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Euro dollar. So let's find out euro dollar. As you can see that euro dollar and GBP USD similar kind of pattern. Now euro dollar, what we see now currently is pushing high. Now euro dollar overall, I think it's still bearish. The price action looks to me is still bearish. If you go to the monthly, first of all, you see the price now where there was a monthly closing and opening. Okay, the price is exactly there. and you saw that on euro dollar there has been a strong breakout to the downside in euro dollar. If you look at this one here, there is a big breakout on the monthly big red candle. After that we still see the price is in the same place. This is what happened when there is a monthly close. You will see the price is consolidating until NFP, and then it will start to break out to one side. So weekly time frame the same, it's consolidating. If you go to the daily, now on the daily the price now came to the just today's daily level of support. Here you see there is a daily level of support, and then we see a bounce. So what we might see that it will go up again and then will come back again down. Okay, so and I think that finally it might, so far in today's this day and second day, first day and second day's price action, I think that euro dollar is still creating a bearish price action. It look like bearish price action. After the NFP we will know actually what euro dollar is doing. So Amoado said that Eid Mubarak. Thank you, Eid Mubarak. All of you, let me know what other pairs you are interested, what you are trading. Most accurate strategy please with gold profitability. Thank you, Acacia. So this is the, let's see euro dollar on the 4-hour time frame how it is doing. So we have seen the previous 4 hour there has been a shooting star on this in this support, and as a result we saw immediately some push up on this 4 hour. So if you see how many pip now gone up, around 40 pip gone up. So what I think that if this one closes somewhere here, okay, the next one will come down again, because euro dollar I think that it will just consolidate. As you have seen that euro dollar already touched the 20 period moving average in the past. Whenever it touched the 20 period moving average, we saw that euro dollar dropped. So the same thing could happen with this one, with euro dollar. I think that it will just drop from here again, okay, like that, and it could be even 1-to-1 trade could be a good trade on this one. I think it will drop again and it will create this pattern on euro dollar. Okay, so this is the situation with euro dollar, and I think that this price it is still creating a bearish price action. So far you see the last week it has created here on the 4-hour bullish price action, and what happened, you saw there is a gap opening completely disconnected from this pattern, and then the price started to create another bearish price action pattern, and I think that it will continue to drop to the downside. So this is the situation with euro. Kakulan says Eid Mubarak. Kakulan, thank you. So all of you, wherever you are, is the today the Eid day, or so you are watching this live streaming in your Eid holiday, or you are just finished it? Let me know. So euro USD, so we have discussed Chidittu, we discussed. So today, due to this holiday session, I might keep it a bit short, because tomorrow we will have a long session due to the NFP. I know that all of you are in holiday, many of you, so let's do some quick relax today. Not much things to do, because there is Eid holiday, and also I know that every one of you enjoying the Eid holiday, and I want you to enjoy it. That's the reason I will not extend this session much longer. So let's see what happened, and then tomorrow we'll see again how we can trade NFP. There will be NFP, and make sure that you stick tomorrow, you stay in this live trading session. There will be a giveaway. In the meantime, if you want to trade NFP with us, then the link in the description area, you can learn my strategy. You can join my mentorship program. You can join it, the link in the description area. Khalid still second it. Yeah, very good, Khalid. Iman, USD CAD please, sir. We have seen USD CAD, we discussed already. So Alan James, GBP AUD. Okay, so I got a request for GBP AUD, and then let's see what happens. So GBP AUD, what we are seeing. Okay, GBP AUD, as I told you, all this pair in a sideways. See, this is a very completely sideways market. Okay, and no one can tell you actually which way market is likely to heading from here. it needs to be breakout. When the market is sideways, better to stay sideways. It's a sideways market, and I don't like this kind of market to trade. But if you are on a trade, so then you need to find out what you're gonna do. But I think that GBP AUD, it's in a sideways. Still not sure, because it's a fully unpredictable market at this point, and that is what actually I told in my weekly forex forecast, that GBP AUD, Euro AUD, they will just move in between, creating another doji. And I think that's what it will do. It will come down, will go up, creating another doji, and then it will start to move whichever way it wants to move. So these are the pairs. So let me see GBP JPY. So GBP JPY looks like slowly getting bearish, but until tomorrow NFP release, we don't know. After that, during this NFP, we might find an incredible trading opportunity. So make sure you stick during this time. You stay there. We'll see some trading opportunity, and you will be trading with us if you are there. Because every time you saw that during this session we find some good trading opportunity, and we have quite a few winning trade during this NFP session as well. So this is today there is a short session, half an hour, because as you know that tomorrow there will be NFP. Today the market is not that much, looks like not that much volatile. It's look like that the market is moving in a sideways. So let's the market to settle down for tomorrow NFP, and then we'll go for big one during this NFP. So this is it for today. Everyone, enjoy your Eid, enjoy your holiday, and tomorrow we'll start our live session with a big hope from NFP. Thank you for joining this live session. See you tomorrow in the same time, and I want to see all of you making money tomorrow. Thank you.